Today, we've just got the MT-09 back from the dealership. We had to send it in for the TPMS recall and ECU flash. We're going to give it a test run since we haven't rode it since we picked it up. Had to pick it up in the truck because didn't have anybody take me down there. So we'll take it out and see how she pulls. Supposedly they got rid of the second gear granny gear, but we'll have a look and see how that feels. And yeah, we'll definitely see what's going on. Stay tuned. Well, first impressions are it doesn't seem any different. Second gear is still kind of flat. Third gear feels better than second gear as normal, which is not normal, but it's normal for this bike. So off to V cycle nuts for an ECU program here shortly. Might be out without the bike for a little bit, but that's all right. We'll follow up with some further content a little later. And I think there's a yeah, it's just no change. I wasn't sure to expect a change, but I can guarantee you there wasn't one. Maybe a little bit, but if there was, it's not noticeable. Hopefully the camera's alright. It got dark and I have it on daylight settings, but hopefully there's enough ambient lights from the businesses around. Notorious for having cops parked along the edges waiting for people. And as I've mentioned in previous videos, I got a family to get home to and a job I love, so I will not be running. So therefore I should probably do as close to the speed limit as I feel comfortable with. 40, 49's only 9 over. What's the saying, or at least one of them? 9 you're fine, over 9 you're mine. Seems legit till it's not. Well, as I said, not really any changes. I'm glad the recall is finished. That is important. Got to make sure we get that TPS figured out so that it doesn't put a bunch of freaking debris inside the engine as it supposedly is doing, and the reason for the recall. But just glad that's finished. Got that part done. Now we're gonna have to get this ECU shipped out to V-Cycle Nuts and let him work his magic to get this thing tuned up and ready for the, or not ready, the exhaust is already on there, but get it tuned up so that it's runs a little better based on the exhaust that's on it. The race fit. Oop. I have to tilt it. There we go. There we go. All right. Well, thanks for coming along on the test ride. We'll have some more content soon. Probably going to do a review of a grill protector, grill guard that I ordered from none other than AliExpress. See if it's worth a damn. See if it's actually going to protect the radiator from rocks. And yeah, as soon as that comes in, we'll have that posted. I'm probably going to do review of the MBT Scout Pant I'm wearing here. There's new, just out. Pretty comfortable, really lightweight, great for summer. But yeah, we'll probably do a full review on those. And yeah, appreciate you guys sticking it out to the end.